Hello, and thank you for tuning in to Zippo Lion's Den. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and share. Anything you do will help this little channel grow. My girlfriend and I recently had our 1-year anniversary that we've been together. We've known each other for well over 35 years, but we've only started dating about a year ago. April 11th was our anniversary, and for our anniversary, we got each other Zippos. I got her this one. This is Lala Jennifer. It is a J 2003, which is in October 2003. With an April 2003 insert, which I just first noticed is kind of fitting since our anniversary is in April. I also got her this Bradford table lighter, which is her first table lighter she's ever had. It was in really good shape, and it's older than my table lighter, so I'll admit I'm kind of jelly about that. But she had to have this one. It has the initial J on it for Jennifer. And that's a really funny story with this one, is because we were both watching it on eBay. I didn't know she was bidding on it. She didn't know I had been bidding on it. Well, it's a good thing I was bidding on it, because her max bid was completely beaten by a long shot. Mine wasn't. And we were at a local zoo, park, what have you. It's a park that happens to have a zoo in it. And we're both out of the car, separate areas. We come back to the car, and she mentions about that this lighter, she lost it on eBay. And she's like, well, I hope whoever got it is happy with it. And at that point, I ended up opening up my app and showing her, well, I hope you do like it. And she just had this big smile on her face for the rest of the day. And when it finally came in the mail, she just loved it. And what she got me, starting with this one, it is an old camel lighter from, I have to check, it is a 1995. Originally was gold plated, pretty wore out, which doesn't bother me because then I can use it. And I happen to have this case that I can put it in, an old camel case from back in those days that I got from an old friend of mine. So it's kind of neat. I like that. She also got me this one, which says number 218, black plastic box. And it's really cool because it looks like the old plastic boxes from the 90s. She purchased this one off eBay from Widowmaker's Lighters. If you haven't checked that out, you should. Widowmaker's got, well, Widowmaker's has some really good deals on Zippos. This is from 2020. So that's one of them that she got me. And then she also got me my first 2023 Zippo, which is number 218 Skull Lovers. And it is really cool to me. It is a January 2023. Has the skeleton lovers kissing on the front. Has a matching insert, A23. So this was actually my first 2023 Zippo. And I really like it. And getting it as an anniversary gift from my lady Jennifer was really cool as well. So for our first anniversary, we gave each other Zippos, which I think is really cool. Hope you like what you see, and I hope you have a great day, and thank you for tuning in.